Hey, what is up, guys? So, today I want to talk about starting your own course and the benefits of having your own course, especially if you have an online business, a small business. The benefits of having a course is because it's scalable, it's low cost, and you can easily get into depth with it with as much value as you can bring. But the most important thing is not just having a mixtures of videos and just collabing them together and not really being specific, because that's what people get courses for, is for specificity and results. So if you can do those two, then you are perfect for your course. And but this is how I want to help you guys to create a course. So as long as you have a specific outcome and an audience, an email list, and more specifics, to have an email list that you can upsell and monetize your email list. Because if you can monetize your email list, then you will, it's just basically an asset over time. And the more that email list grows and the more you provide value and the more you can create other courses, not just one, the more it can be an asset for you and your business, and you can use it to scale and grow. But general content won't be very useful after, if you use that in courses, because if you put general content and it's not really specific, then your value will go down, because they're paying first for an upfront. And if you can provide value first and they see that they trust you, like, this guy knows what he's talking about, and you provide value in the course for a specific result, then that's what it takes. But now let's get to the next part. Step 2, outlining your course. And that is writing down ideas, writing down all kinds of ideas at first. Just be specific with that, but be general with that as well. Just so you can have a list of what you want in your course on that topic, related to that topic, and make it unique and effective and memorable. And that's like having a unique selling preposition. That's the most important part, is making it unique and memorable, that it can be effective for people, that they know what they're buying for a specific result, and that it has that calling to them, that it's marketing to them, that it's going to give them from point A to point B. So that's step 2. And step 3 is the good part, and that is creating your course. And there's multiple ways you can create your course, but these are the easiest ways. And face the camera, kind of like how I'm doing right now, live, or screencast and screen capture. And there's multiple platforms, like Loom is a free one, Screenomatic, um, Camtasia. There's a lot that you can use, and those last two that I provided, that I said, are the ones that do come with a membership over time. Loom is free, so I recommend using Loom. But other than that, if you want to get a course created, just like how I'm using my iPhone, or any phone, you can just record for like 4 to 10 minutes, however your module is, how long it is, and you can use that for a screen for each module. And that is how you can create your course. And step number 4 is finding a platform. And there's a lot of platforms out there. There's platforms being made every day. Platforms like Udemy, but I like Udemy because it's free, but you will undersell your course. You will sell it for like 10 or 15 bucks, which is not really something you want to do. But these are the ones that, these two you can use for your own business, and you can have them on your own website or whatever. And that's Kajabi or Podia. And there's a lot, like Thinkific is another one that you can use. But it's all about just finding a platform. Even if you have your own website with WordPress, then you can use LearnDash. And that's what I used a little bit back then, right when I was barely getting started, getting my foot in the door. And LearnDash did come in handy, because you have free reign over what you want to do with your course and how you want to create your course. You can create as much courses as you want on your own website. It's completely up to you, and as long as you have a specific result and you have a unique selling proposition and you bring results, and that's all that matters. And step number 5 is marketing your course. The one thing you don't want to do when you're marketing your course, this is very important, is that you don't announce and launch it on the same day. Because if you do announce it and launch it on the same day, it's not really building up the hype, and a lot of people may not know if you just say it on the same day. It's better if you say it kind of like a movie, how they have trailers, how they have these things to build up the hype, and they're aware of the movie that's coming out, and they're aware of what topics and what strategies or what's going to be inside the course. So it's good that over time you say, hey, first day, hey, I'm going to be making a course. What would you guys like to see in it? The next time, hey, this specific thing, say if it's a mindset, hey, these 3 steps to having a clear mindset are going to be in the course. Or just things like that, just kind of leaking modules out, leaking info out that are going to be in the course that'll be eye-catching and that will have a specific result for a specific audience, and that can really change and impact their life because you can solve their problem. But the easiest way to market it, of course, is through an email list. If you have an email list, like I said earlier, it can be used as an asset. And as long as you provide value and you have relationships built with these people, then, and you're not just overpricing it for like $1 billion, then, and you put it at a good amount just to leverage and to monetize your course, your email list, then having it in your email list is perfect because, like I said, it can be used as an asset. And the ways you can create your course is, or do for a funnel, you can have a sales page, a video sales letter, or a written sales page. I recommend the video because video marketing, I'm gonna be talking about a lot in this, is converts a lot better. It's a lot more conversions. It's one-on-one interacting almost, except it's a video, and it's just, you can sell your emotion because that's what people buy at the end of the day, is your emotion and your unique selling proposition. So, and the fact that you give them a specific result. Those are the 5 ways you can create your course and how you can monetize your email list. So I hope you guys got a lot of value from this. A lot more courses, a lot more info are going to be coming every day. So stay tuned. I'm excited. Peace.